Hi, this video is video 2 under lesson 0. This video is going to walk you through the Cornell notes that you will use throughout this entire Wax Museum unit, which runs the course of the year. So go ahead with me and click on number 3 under Unit 0, Cornell Notes. It is going to open a new page for you in Schoology that looks like this. Then open the link to Cornell Notes Wax Museum, and your document should look like this. You're going to use this guide to answer questions in each of the lessons. So as we look at this document, you have your objective at the top. You will have a summary. Today's summary says, today we are introducing the process of research for your research unit. You will need your class's unit guide to complete the research process, which is going to be linked. Number 1 is what is your task, and that is the next thing that you are going to do. Lesson 0 is just about understanding the documents that you will be using. So lesson 0 is watch the videos in lesson 0. Open this Cornell note, which you've done if you're here with me, and you will then complete a mastery check in your classroom. You should read over the lessons on the Wax Museum Research Project Guide over here. You should go ahead and scroll through and read these lessons and look at what's coming. And then aspire to do, you should make a list of questions that you have for Miss Kraut-Kramer or myself under class notes. As you look at this document, you can see what's coming. So you can see that lesson 1 has questions that you will answer. You will answer them over here on this right side. And you will want to identify the questions that you are answering. Lesson 1. You're going to say, what is my task coming soon? You will see lesson 2. And these may move on you as you type. That's okay. That's the nature of using a Google Doc. Lesson 3, lesson 4. As you move through, you will always start here. You will always start here with your lesson. Watch the videos. Then you will come to the Cornell notes and you can find the matching lesson on the left-hand side. You'll answer that before you do your mastery checks.